need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand.
हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर एपिसोड। सो गाइस, आज हम तो ये वाला वीडियो देखने ही वाले हैं और साथ ही साथ आपको मैं बता देता हूँ मेरे चैनल पर गिव अवे चल रहा है, उससे 200 लाइक जाके जल्दी से कर दीजिए कंप्लीट। उसके बाद मैं जल्दी ही रिजल्ट लेके आऊंगा और आपके में से लाकी 1 सब्सक्राइबर को मैं आपको ड्राइंग करके दूंगा। सो उस वीडियो को जाके देखो। सारी डिटेल्स जानने के लिए मेरा डिस्क्रिप्शन में सबसे पहले लिंक मिल जाएगा, जाके देख लीजिए। सो चलते हैं, इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again. You made, did you make them again?
All the choices you made, did you make them again?
You made, did you make them again, 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 again?
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah.